Hey everyone, in this quick After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create procedural distorted text. I've already added some text. Next we add a solid, color doesn't matter, and add turbulent noise. Set the noise type to block, contrast to 1400, brightness to 200, complexity 1. In transform, we set scale width to 5000, scale height to 50. We animate the evolution with an expression. We reduce the frame rate, posterized time 8 in parentheses, semicolon, then time asterisk 1000. We hide the layer. Next we add displacement map to the text layer. Choose the solid after effects and masks are applied, and animate the max horizontal displacement with an expression. Posterized time 4 in parentheses, semicolon, wiggle 4,50 in parentheses. 4 times per second, the value animates max 50 in each direction.